Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Clean your face. Clean your face. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Eat your food. Eat your food. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes. Tie your laces. Tie your laces. Write your name. Write your name. Pick your dress. Pick your dress. Fold your clothes. Fold your clothes. Put the toys back. Put the toys back. Keep the books properly. Keep the books properly. Help me clean. Help me clean. Close the door. Close the door. Open the window. Open the window. Can I have a window seat, please? Can I have a window seat, please? Sit on the bed. Sit on the bed. I often sleepwalk. I often sleepwalk. Stand up now. Stand up now. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Smile, my baby. Smile, my baby. Don't cry now. Don't cry now. Hug me tight. Hug me tight. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Look at me. Look at me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Say sorry now. Say sorry now. Say thank you. Say thank you. Take your bag. Take your bag. Take your temperature. Take your temperature. Bring your book. Bring your book. Keep it there. Keep it there. Hang out with friends. Hang out with friends. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Color it nicely. Color it nicely. Paint a landscape. Paint a landscape. Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Go catch butterflies. Go catch butterflies. Put your shoes away. Put your shoes away. You're doing great. You're doing great. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? Let's pick the cafe. Let's pick the cafe. Are you okay? Are you okay? I feel pretty good. I feel pretty good. Can I help you? Can I help you? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? I had weird dreams. I had weird dreams. I'm free all morning. I'm free all morning. That's perfect for me. That's perfect for me. I forgot your birthday. I forgot your birthday. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What time is it? What time is it? May I ask something? May I ask something? Can you pass this? Can you pass this? Here you are. Here you are. How's your family doing? How's your family doing? They are doing well. They are doing well. Long time no see. Long time no see. What did you say? What did you say? What should I get? What should I get? What does this mean? What does this mean? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Are you busy at work? Are you busy at work? I am looking at you. I am looking at you. I am thinking about you. I am thinking about you. I can see you. I can see you. Please wait here. Please wait here. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let's go by car. Let's go by car. It's too far away. It's too far away. I'll walk there. I'll walk there. It's very near. It's very near. Let's cross together. Let's cross together. Go herd the sheep. Go herd the sheep. He prays every night. He prays every night. Finish the puzzle. Finish the puzzle. Don't snore so loudly. Don't snore so loudly. Put on your goggles. Put on your goggles. Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. Wrap up in a blanket. Wrap up in a blanket. Watch out for allergies. Watch out for allergies. I get stung by a bee. I get stung by a bee. Choose the yogurt you like. Choose the yogurt you like. Tug of war is fun. Tug of war is fun. I go to the shopping mall. I go to the shopping mall. I have insomnia. I have insomnia. I am a tutor. I am a tutor. Eat some strawberries. Eat some strawberries. Drink a protein shake. Drink a protein shake. Lose that belly fat. Lose that belly fat. Go on a date. Go on a date. Pack the boxes. Pack the boxes. I trust you. I trust you.